So let's put this in the middle. So I think I like it, that's why. Alright guys, so we have this. So let's repeat the same process for this guys. So you just copy this. So what we're going to do is to copy this guys. Okay, then paste it there. Right, so let's copy this. We have to copy the whole table, remember? Then paste this. Then we change it to region. Right. Remember this, we have to link this to region. Okay, so for region, this have to be so remember to fix your reference and drag this down. Okay, so obviously this did not change. Okay, so simply change to the blue, the border line. we're good. So change this to 26, B26. Right, so this is what we have here. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. I want you to do the last one, which is sales by sales channel, right? So just repeat the same process of what we have done here, and then let me see what you have. Anyways, so let me just quickly do it here in case you want to see how you do. Please ensure you have done that before coming to watch the rest of this video. So this channel, remove this. So we have this channel, we have this, we have sales by sales channel. Okay. So remember you have to change this to a sales channel. And here we need to change this to, okay, so I want this to carry this, then this should be this, so we are good. Right, then change this to this, 1 2 3. Okay, my bad. I think I've made some mistakes here. Okay, so I should be working with this one. Show this for, okay. This should be this. And this should be 1 million, which is correct. It should be this. Now it should be this actually. Okay. Right. So this should be 42. I guess 42 here. So sales by product type. This should be channel. Sales channel, right? Yeah, sales by channel. So this should be a sales channel. Right, so then change this to sales channel, remove the type, then sales channel, product type, region. Alright, so basically that is how you create a target line and then making it dynamic. So if you change any of this figure from here, let's say we make this to be 700 for the first one, that's 900 to make it obvious. Okay, so let's see what we have. So this moved up by to the 900, so we really have 2 people exceeding that sales target line. So that is how this really works. You can easily play around with the target from here since they are all linked to your table. If you want to put your target here and then work directly with the pivot table, it will not be dynamic. But if you change anything with your pivot table here, because it's feeding into these columns, it's going to be dynamic, and then you can easily change anything you want to change. Alright guys, so that is how you work with pivot table and your target line. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Alright, so let's create the vertical version of this. To create this vertical version, I want you to highlight all the cells that we have this chart down here. Okay, then I want you to press Ctrl C to copy, go to home, then go to paste. Right, you need to paste this as a linked picture. Then click on this. So I want you to drag. Okay, so drag. Now that you have dragged, so there is this icon at the top. Okay, so let's drag this a bit so you can see it. So this drag and then change this direction to be vertical. So this picture is linked to this. So whatever editing you want to do, you have to edit here and to reflect here. Right? Okay, so for me, I need to, okay, so let's just trim this to make it look proper. Okay, so sales type here shouldn't be in this direction, so I'm just going to completely remove this. Okay, so this is gone. Right. Okay, so I'm going to completely remove this. Okay, then push this a bit. Right, so I have this. Let's push this downward. So I think this looks okay. Yeah? Alright, so okay, so we have these thousands. Depend, if I want to write a small description, let's just delete that. Okay. Okay, because we don't have much bars, so it looks a bit kind of big, but you can reduce the bar depending on what you want. Let's say for series, you can reduce the gap to be, okay, shrink it a bit. So depending on what you want. Okay. Let's say, okay. You can decide to make it bigger, whichever one you want. Right. Okay, so this is how you make this kind of chart. And again, so you can decide to just write a small title, then quote the numbers in thousands. That will suffice. Anyways, so this is how you make a vertical version of this. So you can easily do the same for the likes for the rest of the chart that we have on this video. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video.